So here is how you can lock your apps on your phone without any additional app. So you don't need an extra app to do this. You're going to do this right on your phone settings. Okay. So you just head over to your settings, tap on your settings and scroll down a bit. You can see apps, tap on apps, and down here you click on app lock. Okay. Click on turn on to turn on your app lock. Once you turn on your app lock, you're going to connect at least 4 dots. Just draw a pattern to make sure your app lock is secure, and then you're going to confirm your pattern. Once you draw your pattern, you can also decide to use a password. Okay, and then click on next. So after that, here you tap on the apps you want to lock. So I'm going to select some of the apps I want to lock, and then after that you click on use app lock. You can decide to use a fingerprint as well, and then you can see the apps I selected. This is the 5 apps I just selected: my YouTube, WhatsApp, gallery, Instagram, and Facebook. So you can decide to select more apps to lock. Okay, that is how to lock your apps. Okay,